you ever seen a smartphone that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie? I'm talking about a phone that's completely transparent, like a single piece of glass. Well, that futuristic dream might be closer to reality than you think. Rumors and insider leaks are pointing to one of the biggest secrets in the tech world. Samsung is reportedly deep into developing a fully transparent Galaxy smartphone. For the past 5 years, behind closed doors, Samsung's engineers have been tackling some of the toughest challenges in mobile technology. How do you make a battery invisible? How do you hide processors, cameras, and all the tiny components that make a phone work? The breakthrough seems to be coming from a combination of next-generation OLED display technology and incredible advancements in materials science. Imagine a screen that can go from crystal clear to a vibrant, full-color display in an instant. The concept is stunning. You'd be holding a device that looks like a sleek pane of glass. When it's off, it could blend seamlessly into the background. But the moment you touch it, the interface materializes out of thin air. This isn't just about a cool look. It's about creating a whole new relationship with our technology, where the hardware disappears and only the experience remains. The leaks suggest that Samsung has figured out how to embed microscopic components and wiring in a way that's invisible to the naked eye. They're also developing adaptive dimming technology, which would allow parts of the screen to become opaque to hide the internal electronics only when needed. This isn't just another incremental update, like a slightly better camera or a faster processor. This is a potential revolution. If Samsung pulls this off, it could be the biggest shakeup in the smartphone industry since the very first iPhone was introduced. It would redefine what a phone is and what it can be. Other companies would be forced to scramble to catch up, shifting the entire center of innovation. For years, a transparent phone was considered a fantasy, something you'd see in movies but never hold in your hand. But the whispers are getting louder. The rumored release date for this game-changing device is 2026. If these reports are true, Samsung isn't just planning to release another Galaxy phone. They're preparing to unveil the future. A phone that doesn't just fold or flip, but one that can literally disappear. What do you think? Is a transparent phone the next big thing, or is it just a gimmick? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of tech.